Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry chawal at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped. For the chawal, measure out 1 cup of basmati rice and 2 cups of water. For the curry, chop 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes, and 3 green chilies. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and your favorite spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build that flavorful curry base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté your chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in your chopped tomatoes and all the dry spices. Let this mixture simmer gently until the oil begins to separate from the masala, indicating it's perfectly cooked. While your curry simmers, let's get the chawal ready. Wash 1 cup of basmati rice thoroughly under running water until it runs completely clear. This step is crucial for fluffy, separate grains. Then, cook the rice with 2 cups of water in a pot or a rice cooker until it's tender and all the water is absorbed. Once both are ready, gently combine the rich, aromatic curry with your perfectly cooked, fluffy chawal. Your delicious homemade curry chawal is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish it generously with some fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Serve it immediately, perhaps alongside a cooling raita or a tangy pickle to complement the rich flavors. This dish is truly a comforting and satisfying meal. Remember to check the description below for the link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.